said, wow, what an opportunity. So I want to thank all the Heart, Vascular and Thoracic Institute colleagues. I represent the Integrated Hospital Institute, the largest institute academic in Abu Dhabi, and I'm only envisioning even better congresses moving forward.
The high morbid disease that did not differentiate between cultures, background, or age. And at that moment, I realized that we need to bring all the minds. We can bring big minds in order to advance the field and heal our communities. We are considering the cardiogenic shock is not just a failure of the heart. It is a failure of system, timing, and sometimes understanding. I hope there is a big opportunity for all of us to talk to our distinguished speaker and to learn more in this event. Thank you so much for coming to the conference, and I hope all together to have a very good experience. Thank you so much.